If you're coming to Windows to Mac and you're looking for some kind of a screenshot tool, kind of like the Windows Snipping Tool, and you're having trouble finding it, you're not alone. All right. I'm smiling because I ran into this. I opened up my Mac, wanted to use a screenshot, and I couldn't find it. Now, the very first place I looked that I thought would be the most logical place was the applications folder, and I was wrong. Imagine that. I was wrong. It does happen. The thing is, there is a snipping type tool, a screenshot tool on a Mac. You just have to know where to find it. And again, just like anything else, once you know, it's going to be like super, super easy. So what I want to do in this video, I'm going to show you, number one, how to find something when you're not sure where it's at. Then I'm going to show you, hey, we found it. Here's where it's at. I'm going to show you how to make it easy to get to down the road if it's something you use on a regular basis. And then for those that use Windows shortcut keys, I'll give you a breakdown of all of the different options that you can use as far as command keys. All right. The very first thing that I really want to drive home when you're using your Mac is to use the spotlight feature up here in the up right hand corner. Now it's the magnifying glass. That magnifying glass is Mac's spotlight tool. Now, once you've opened the spotlight search, this spotlight search works just like the Windows start menu. When you're on a Windows machine, lower left-hand corner, if you're using like Windows 10 or you've moved your start menu all the way over to the left. If you're using a default Windows 11 default layout, that is going to be in the middle, but it's the Windows start icon, and you just start typing whatever it is you're looking for. It populates it. Normally it finds it right away. That is the same thing as the spotlight search. Okay. Mac's equivalent is the spotlight search. So again, I'm banging my head. I'm looking for the snipping tool. I go into applications. I don't find it. So let's stop banging our heads and let's see what we can do to find it. Had to remind myself, spotlight search is my friend. We go in here and we simply start typing screenshot. And of course you got to know how to type. And boom, very first option that comes up is screenshot. So the very first thing I see is that it has a little camera icon, looks like something like an app would have, right? So I'm thinking, again, this should be in applications. It's not, but I'm looking at this going, it is still some kind of an app. So here's what you want to do. A little trick. Right click on it right here and do show in Finder. This is beautiful. What this is going to do, it opens up utilities. Whoa, okay. It's not in apps, it's in utilities. Now, the next question that I ask myself is, how do I get to utilities? Again, I'm not going to go bang my head some more like I was doing earlier. So I'm going to go right on back up here to Spotlight, the magnifying glass. Going to click on it, and I'm going to type utilities. And you'll notice here, it's the second option because I didn't type it all the way out. It first pulled up disk utilities, but if I go ahead and continue typing, the top search there is utilities. Like I did before, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to do show in Finder again. Whoa, it's in applications. The screenshot tool is in applications. It's just in another folder in applications. And you can see right here, it's in utilities. So beautiful. Now we know where it's at. How do we get to it in the future? We basically go over here to our Finder, open up Finder, then we go to Applications, and then we scroll all the way down, and there's our Utilities folder. We go ahead and open that up. Now, right here, boom, there's Screenshot. Now, if you're like me, you might be taking screenshots all of the time, and you want to be able to find this much, much faster than going to Finder, Applications, Utilities. And how do we do that? Well, just like in Windows, you can go and pin it to the dock. Okay, in Windows, it's the taskbar. In a Mac, it's the dock. And you literally just grab it and go and pop it wherever you want. For me, I will probably use it right down here. Pop it there. Again, if you wanted to move it, you could. And boom, we are there. And now your screenshot is now available whenever you need it in the dock of your Mac. How cool is that? Next thing I want to cover though is you might be someone who utilizes command keys, okay, or hotkeys. And I don't remember them, but I want to go over those and show you those next. Now, we have the first one is Shift Command 3. And what that Shift Command 3 does is it will get all of your displays. All right, so if you have one display, Shift Command 3 is just going to give you a screenshot of that display. If you're running two displays, all right, so you've got two displays going, Shift Command 3 is going to give you an image for each and every display. So it's going to have image 1, it's going to be your display 1, image 2 will be your display 2. All right, so with Shift Command 4, you end up being able to capture just a portion of your screen. It gives you the cursor, and it lets you drag and say, I want just this little part. Maybe we could just drag it around one of these rocks and you're good to go. All right. If we go in here, it would be the equivalent of something like, all right, so in this case, it's going to be the equivalent of this. When I click on capture, it's now going to let me draw around what I want. All right. Where a Shift Command 3 is going to give me basically the entire display, or in this case, it's the entire screen. You can see it's grabbing the whole thing. If you don't, there's now a dotted line going around that whole screen. All right. And the Shift Command 5, what that does is that opens up this whole command bar here. All right. So there you go. You now know how to find that screenshot tool if you're not sure where it's at. Again, use the Spotlight search. And then once you've found it, how to remember that. It's in the Utilities folder, which is in the Applications folder. So Finder, Applications, Utilities. And then if it's something that you're going to use on a regular basis, pop that into your dock and you are good to go. I'm Sean, the Tech Gremlin Warrior. Thanks for watching, everyone.